Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add nearby on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course, and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and check out what we actually have in front of us here. So at the bottom of the screen, as you can see, we have the spotlight where you can check out the videos. You can see stories where you can check out all of these stories. We have your camera where you can snap, and you have the location and the messages at the bottom left corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add nearby on Snapchat. So to add nearby friends on Snapchat, you need to do these steps. First of all, ensure location access is granted for Snapchat in your device settings. Then, from the top of your screen, hit the ghost icon. So basically the ghost icon, which is the icon of Snapchat. After that, tap on the Add Friends feature. And now select Add Nearby and select the OK button. So when you click on the OK button, then this will allow users on Snapchat to add you using the Snap Map feature. And then just simply ask your friend to launch the Add Nearby on their phone contact. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you found this video informative. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Until then, bye guys.